Benchmark estimating software is a widely used, highly acclaimed estimating tool that is so easy to use, we're going to show you right now how easy it is to create a bid. You start on the My Benchmark screen, where you can easily access all of your projects, including your most recent, as well as create new ones. One place for your projects and other important estimating data, easy and convenient for centralizing your work. Project Details is the summary screen for your bid, and it is here that you can enter project information, select your client for the project, and easily view a summary of the project costs. For ease of use, your estimates in Benchmark have a very transparent structure based on best practice. The Project section window gives you a clear breakdown of your project and costs by displaying the first level of your estimate. Sections can be added from your library, created on the fly to suit each project, or imported from a spreadsheet. With your list of sections established, Benchmark estimating software offers estimators an unrivaled flexible suite of features so that you can estimate a project how you want to. These features include adding items from your library, creating items from first principles, importing from a bill of quantities, allocating resources, and routines. Let's start with a look at adding items from your item library. Each section of your estimate is made up of items of work. You can build estimates amazingly quickly and with greater consistency and accuracy by simply adding items from your central item library. As we work through the steps, you will probably notice how we have facilitated the ease of use by developing Benchmark estimating software to be intuitive, with right-click functionality and Windows-based shortcuts. So to add library items, you simply click Add Item from Library. Powerful search tools allow you to search your database and find the items you need extremely quickly and easily. You can browse your database by user-definable groups, or find items using the Quick Search or Advanced Search features. After selecting the items you wish to add to your estimate, you simply enter the quantities and select OK. Benchmark adds these items from your central library into your project and automatically updates your total project cost for you, automatically minimizing errors and maximizing your productivity. When adding items from your library, Benchmark automatically calculates this resource-based detail for you. To view this detail, you simply double-click on the item. As we mentioned earlier, each of your items is based on first principles, so that each has a buildup of plant labor, materials, and subcontract resources. All of the resource details you see here are also completely adjustable. Quantities, rates, production rates, and variables can all be modified to suit the project. You can easily add new resources, or delete existing ones to fine-tune your estimate. Benchmark estimating software is flexible, offering options to suit the user. That was just one way to add items into a job. Let's look at another. If you come across an item in a bid that you have never priced before, Benchmark allows you to build it up as a brand new item quickly and easily. To build up a new item in Benchmark, all you have to do is add resources to the item. One way to do this is to bring them in from your central resource library. This saves time, eliminates human error, and ensures you will be basing your estimates on consistent prices. To find resources easily, take advantage of the various search tools to assist you. The drag-drop functionality makes this process incredibly intuitive and efficient. After you've added your resources, you simply enter the quantities required. You can type these quantities in, or use Benchmark's powerful calculator feature to calculate a quantity. This feature not only helps you to calculate accurate quantities quickly, it also captures your logic, which can be easily reviewed. The calculations are even reported on in your estimate and project management reports. If not all the resources you need will be in your library, Benchmark offers you a fast, convenient method of adding new resources into a project. When you've finished building your item from first principles, you can see the total cost of the item, and you can also see how Benchmark automatically calculates the unit rate for you. If you wish to make this brand new item and complete build-up available for your team in future estimates, it can be duplicated to your item library. You can also build an estimate in Benchmark estimating software by importing a bill of quantities from a spreadsheet. Benchmark's Load Spreadsheet features eliminates double entry of data and removes human error by importing bills of quantity for you. A powerful mapping window allows you to easily map the columns in your spreadsheet to the relevant benchmark fields. This mapping ability offers you a solution to the common problem all estimators face when clients issue schedules in different formats. Once you've mapped your columns, Load Spreadsheet will then import the data automatically, saving you significant time and increasing your accuracy. You can now price the items in the schedule using whatever method suits you. You could build items from first principles or even run a routine. Allocate allows you to allocate resources from items already built up in your item library. To save you significant time, Allocate will conveniently firstly search the item library for you and find the most similar items. These items are ordered from the closest match to the least closest match, even more convenient. You can refine the search if needed, or simply select an item from the ones listed. When you make your selection, the allocator will bid the item for you by calculating and allocating all the plant, labor, materials and subcontract resources required to complete the item of work based on the item's quantity in the bid. You can see this item now has a cost and a rate. By drilling down into the item, you could also view and adjust the resource buildup if required. You can even allocate more than one library item to an item in our bid, giving you the flexibility to handle different clients who specify tenders in different ways. Benchmark's production rate feature is yet another powerful tool which will assist you in preparing more accurate estimates even faster. You can see the production rate for this item has been populated for you during the allocate process. This is based on the standard production rate set up in your item library. We all know every job is different, and you need software that has the ease and flexibility to adapt to different project conditions. Benchmark delivers that flexibility. By simply modifying this rate, you can make very fast and accurate changes to your estimate to suit the project conditions. When you complete the modifications, Benchmark will recalculate all your time-based resources and automatically update your item rate and overall project cost for you. Running a routine is another method that Benchmark estimating software allows you to bid an item. This unique routines feature is not found in other estimating systems. Only Benchmark brings you this unique way of preparing robust, accurate bids with speed and accuracy. When you run a routine, you are presented with a series of questions about the item you are pricing. This method acts like a checklist, ensuring you don't forget items from your estimate. Another built-in user support feature from Benchmark. Based on your answers to the questions and your company's construction methodology embedded in your routine, Benchmark estimating software calculates the quantities and costs of the resources required for the task and bids it for you. Take a moment to take this all in and imagine the power that Benchmark routines can bring to your business. Routines are extremely straightforward to set up for your business and have the added benefit of being able to capture the knowledge of your senior team members and be used throughout your business. You can also run a routine at the project section or item level of a bid. When run at these levels, a routine can actually generate one or more items and price each item for you automatically. In these few short minutes, we've only been able to show you just a few of the features to easily start a bid in Benchmark estimating software.